Hello guys, I'm Rock and today's question is, what is the weather like in Mexico? I will go over what to expect in terms of weather, my feelings as a Canadian when I came here for the first time, and the benefits of tropical weather. So anytime from November to June, you will encounter amazing weather. They say we have 320 days a year of sunshine, so it's pretty amazing for a Canadian like me. August, September, and October are considered the hurricane season. I know it sounds bad, but basically what that means is it's going to rain a little bit more, usually in the afternoon around 5 p.m. for an hour or two every other day. That's about it. A little fact here, the last time we encountered a hurricane was in 2005. July and August are the hottest month, so it's a little bit more uncomfortable, it's a little hotter, a little bit more humid. Jump in the water, you'll be just fine. So what were my feelings as a Canadian coming in? First, I would say the humidity. I had to adapt to humidity, but now I think I'm good. And as well as we don't have that much sun in Canada, so having a good sunscreen is really important. Other than that, everything's fine. Now, what are the benefits of having a tropical weather? Do I really have to sell it? First, the year-round activities, biking, beach, tennis, paddle, anything that you need to do outside, you can do it. Another benefit of this kind of weather is, you can maybe see it, is the tan, year-round tan. That was the first time for me having a tan since I was in the restaurant industry. I used to own restaurants in Canada, sold it, now I have a software company and a beautiful tan. The last benefit, there are plenty of benefits, but this one is super important, especially if you're active like I am, is the energy. Energy is amazing from morning to night. I mean, just having that much sun brings joy to my life. So this is it about what to expect, what are my feelings and the benefits. You have it all in this video. Follow us to learn more about the life in Mexico.